What is going on YouTube? Brandon B here for you with another video. Today I'm going to talk about three things: my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, Subway, because I am in the process of purchasing an existing Subway franchise that's been in this shopping center since 1992. I think I was 5. Yeah. And I'm going to talk about September and why September is a down month for stocks. All right, to get into the meat and potatoes, let's get over to my portfolio. And I'm going to show you guys the dividends that I got paid out in the month of August. I am mainly a dividend investor as far as stock markets go. So for August, I got AT&T whopping $46. They pay dividends quarterly. The rest of these above AT&T, they're monthly paying dividend stocks that I put into very slowly, slowly but surely. You know, dividend investment is a marathon, not a race. If you didn't start, now it's never too late. It's never too late. The way I see it, when you're investing in stocks that pay dividend, you're kind of giving yourself a raise. You know, I have Realty Income, Sunoco, the rest of these, Horizon, PSEC, Stag, they're monthly paying dividend stocks. Armor, SBR, LTC, those are monthly paying dividend stocks. CLM is a monthly paying dividend stock, but it's my best one. This stock they pay out 20% annually on return. It's really good, and it may not last forever, but I'm gonna milk it for all it's worth. And CLM's doing really well. They made $100 million this year alone on their rights offering that they had. So good job, CLM. Most of these are going to be monthly paying dividend stocks. And then boom, Intel, $23. They pay quarterly, and Intel's very undervalued. I would start hoarding some Intel, because when their super chip comes out, that stock's going to the moon, guaranteed. And Intel is a stock that's going to be around for many, many years. They are the largest semiconductor company in the world. They're not going anywhere. With the chip shortage, could you imagine when they fill that shortage? These companies like AMD, they're just gonna make a killing. Pfizer, they also pay quarterly, and my newest favorite one is Lumen Technologies. Right now they're paying about 8-9% in annual returns on dividend. So the stock is about $12, and they pay 25 cents a share. Great stock, great company, and they have a long way to go, but I think this company will do very, very well. Has a bright future ahead of them. So Subway put me through an obstacle course, is the best way to describe it. I've been in the process of purchasing Subway since March of 2021. Now we're in September 2021, and I'm 2 days away from finally closing the deal. Subway is probably going to be my best return on investment. The owner's retiring. He doesn't work the store. He lost a lot of money in sales through COVID. He's almost 70 years old. He's done with it. He pretty much gave me the Subway. Subway's doing well. I'll make my money back in probably 7 to 8 months. And it was a great deal. I absolutely came in at the right time. With what I can do with Subway, like shares, I bought it low, I can sell it high. And with me working the store and putting more time and effort, I can increase the sales and really probably triple my money. I've seen a lot of these Subways go for a lot more than what this owner is selling it to me for. He owned 12 stores. And now he's down to 2 stores after I buy, no, 3 stores after this deal goes through. So he's done. He's retiring. Him and his wife are going back to their home land, country, where they came from, and they're never looking back. That's great. His trash is my treasure, and I am absolutely very pleased in this deal. And there was a lot of people that were interested, and because I was the first one who made an offer, he went with it, even though a lot of people are offering a lot more money. Now for the month of September, this is, sorry about Subway University. They put me through a lot of online courses. The next video I make hopefully will be in the Subway store, and I'll give you guys a little tour. It's pretty fun. I'm really excited. And yeah, they put me through Subway University, a lot of e-learning, homework, quizzes, tests. It was pretty difficult, and I'm probably going to make a separate video getting into what it takes to get into a Subway franchise and what to expect. So there's no surprises. There were a lot of surprises for me, and I wish somebody could have given me a heads up along the way. Would have helped me out. I did shoot myself in the foot because I still had my regular job, and I would clock in at midnight, clock out at 8 in the morning, and work Subway 9 to 5. It was an absolute nightmare. Did that for 7 days, 8 days. Never doing it again. I should have given Subway 100% of my time, and probably would have helped if I slept well. But nevertheless, I did graduate Subway University. They gave me a diploma. It was a really good experience to go through. And Subway, they want to make sure that you know how to run the store as if you were just a one-man team. And they did a good job at making sure that that happened. So the month of September. September is historically the worst month of the year for stocks, but recent strength suggests the market could buck the trend. See, that scares me, because if you've been trading for a while, September has been a down month since 1928 without fail. And the trend is your friend. So if this trend gets broken up, there's, the direction of the market is going to concern me a little bit. We might see a huge correction, because there is a correction once every 5 years in the market, or we might see a huge surge, which means a lot of the guys holding on to, or gals holding on to all those shares, going to make even more money. Or those guys, what do you call them? Diamond hands. So it does concern me. I normally don't watch my shares closely. About once or twice a week, I'll lay out some charts and make sure that the markets are going the direction I want it to go. Make sure everything's looking good. Companies are making a profit. Companies are doing well. You don't want to invest in a company that's not making money. And just because Intel's one of the largest semiconductor companies in the world doesn't mean I'm not going to check those finances. I'm going to keep my eye on them, especially that I plan on continuing to invest in Intel for probably the next 20-30 years. So any questions you guys have, please post them in the comments below. Especially if you have any questions about owning a business, franchise, anything about the stock markets, please post your questions. I would love to answer them to the best of my knowledge. And if I don't know how to answer your question, I'm gonna definitely do a lot of research, or some research, to get your question answered. I appreciate everybody's time. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. That helps me out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully in Subway, a tour of the Subway I purchased. Thanks, guys and gals. Bye-bye.